Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone for modification quickly. Unlock the bootloader and enable developer options with USB debugging. Once done, make a full backup to a PC or cloud because this process will wipe data. Make sure battery is above 50%. Then on your computer, install ADB and Fastboot tools and download a compatible TWRP recovery image plus the multi-ROM. Zip and second OS image. These steps let you flash a recovery and install a second operating system safely. You now flash a custom recovery and install the multi-boot manager. First, reboot the phone into Fastboot and run the command to flash TWRP. Once TWRP boots, use its install or ADB sideload to flash the multi-ROM package and then sideload the secondary OS image into a new slot. Make sure to follow prompts and allow root access if requested. Once multi-ROM is present, use its manager to create a ROM slot, assign the image, and check that the kernel and vendor match to avoid boot conflicts. You finish by choosing which OS to boot and confirming everything works. Reboot into the multi-ROM menu and select the new OS slot. The first boot may take several minutes, so be patient. Once it starts, test Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, and camera, then reinstall apps from your backup. If the phone refuses to boot, go back into TWRP and restore the Nandroid backup you made, or reflash the matching kernel and vendor partition. That recovery step fixes most compatibility and boot issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.